So I'm attempting to walk today, and I'm sorry to our members of Team Harvwenner on our members section of the channel, and I'm sorry to all the viewers on the normal side. I just really not been well. I'm not like I got a flu or I got a cough, a cold, stomach bug, nothing like that. I just have been absolutely exhausted, brain fog, like the smallest of things is tiring me, and I just can't seem to shake it, and I can't, it's really hard to like think and talk, which are essential components when you're doing YouTube videos. And then I'm not doing a lot. Like, this is, I think, the first walk or only the second walk I've managed all week. I think it's the second walk I've managed, which isn't like me at all. And Harry and I love walking. It's not just dogs that love it, but I love it, and I have been doing it. So, like, I started this walk I think at least once this week and turned around and come home, so I just couldn't do it. So let's see how far I get. And then, because I've not walked them a lot, I feel like it's easier or better if I take a lot of dogs, because at least if I only manage one walk today, at least the majority will have been walked. But then when you're tired, you really shouldn't be taking so many dogs, because there's more to manage and handle, and it's one of those swings and roundabouts sort of situations. So made it up the hill, and you may have seen on social media that I take pictures of them on and around a bunch of rocks. So they're just ahead, so I'm going to take some pictures there and see how I go. So like last time I came up here, I got that far, scatter fed them and come home. So I'm going to try and make it further today. You could say, why didn't I just complete the loop and go down the street and then up the drive? I didn't really want to walk them on the street, because as you can see, there's still a lot of ice around and it's still being cold. I don't want them burning their paws on great salt. That's my logic. You can probably hear in my voice I'm not speaking properly, and like words are beyond me. I couldn't even remember the name of the president of the United States the other day in a conversation with Hal. The Lanny can trot straighter. He is trotting straighter now, he's got stronger. Long way to go for a poop. Oh. So I've got further than I did last time. I'm walking a much slower pace than what I normally do, but I'm doing it. Let's see how exhausted I am later than tomorrow, because what I have been doing is when I have walked, I've needed to have a day off the following day. So it'll be interesting how I cope I'm not feeling any better, so I can't see I'm going to be any better after this walk. But the dogs need it, so kill myself off trying. That's dramatic. Luckily, mind, these guys seem to sense it. They're not wild. You think the lack of exercise they've had this week, they should be flying around excited, and they're not. Especially my other faithful Banana. The only one that's gun dogging is Phoebe, but even she's gun dogging less than normal. She's not ranging as far. They know, don't they? There's no doubt about it. What are you guys looking at? Sorry, the sun's right there as well. This is not the best lighting. There's Phoebe back. I think they were looking at her. They do sometimes forget she's with us. And then when she appears ahead on the track, they bark. It's like they probably forget that she's with us. So I don't know how far I'm gonna make this walk. And you can literally like fall asleep standing up. That's how I feel. That's how I've been feeling for ages. Oh. Aria is losing some weight. She's still got a lot to go, don't get me wrong, but she has got a bit of a tuck up coming, got a bit of a waist. Her bum was really square, and there's a little bit of the shape coming back to her now. So it is coming, and the big thing, the big change for her to get this weight off is I stopped her from pinching puppy food, because for ages she was just jumping the pen in and then getting in and nicking puppy food. So I've been feeding the puppies in a crate for the last 2.5, 3 weeks, and that's what's really getting the weight to shift. I'm not feeding her a massive amount less than what she was on before having the pups. So she's getting one block of raw a day and then a handful of kibble. And like on a longer walk day, she'll have a little bit more kibble, same as what I normally do. And the weight is going. Because they often say is like you should feed to the weight you want your dog to be, not the weight they are. So if you want your dog to go back to the weight they were before babies, you feed them the amount they were before babies. But I'll give her another week on this, and then if I still feel like the weight isn't coming quick enough, then I might reduce the kibble to nothing. I mean, she was only getting a handful anyway, so I don't really want to do that. Right, I'm going to shut up now because this video is getting long. So yeah, I'm going to leave this video here. I shall see you all soon. Bye.